Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, myself Professor Uday Bukre. Now I am welcoming you on your own YouTube channel Ekeeda. If you are watching my video first time, I request you to please subscribe to our channel and also press bell icon for your latest notifications. Friends, today we are going to learn for CA Intercourse Accountancy subject, topic name single entry, question number 5. A. Adamji keeps his books on a single entry basis. The analysis of cash book for the year ended 31st of December 2016 is given below. Analysis of cash book. That means one effect will be definitely there in cash account. Another effect will be somewhere else. Bank balance on 1st January 2016. Can't I say it is our opening balance brought down? Received from sundry debtors, so I can say bank account debit to debtors account. Cash sales same in entry, bank account debit to sales account. Capital brought during the period, bank account debit to capital account. Interest on investment, bank account debit to interest account. So I can say that they have maintained the cash account correctly and it is advantage to us, so that we need not to prepare it again. Payment to sundry creditors. So one effect we can see here on the credit side of the cash book, debit effect will be given in the respective account. For example, payment to creditors will be debited to creditors account, salaries will be debited to P&L, general expenses will be debited to P&L, rent and taxes will be debited to P&L, drawings will be debited to capital account, cash purchases will be debited to trading account. Balance at bank on 31st December 16 is 6,400 and cash in hand on 31st December 2016 is 500. They have merged cash and bank both, so we need not to differentiate it. Both of these will be your current year's closing assets, right? And this opening balance of bank will be your last year's asset. Particulars of other assets and liabilities are as follows. So this first column is for 1st January 2016, means with the help of this I will be preparing my opening balance sheet. On 31st December 2016, they have given you same balances. With the help of that, I will be able to prepare my closing balance sheet. Debtors, creditors, machinery, furniture, inventory, investment. These all are the items given. Prepare final account for the year ending 31st December 2016 after providing depreciation at 10% on machinery and furniture and rupees 800 against doubtful debts. So we have to also provide for doubtful debts. So very simple question is there, but only thing what we need to prepare here, we need to prepare an opening balance sheet. So why I need to prepare an opening balance sheet? Because opening balance sheet is not given. If we prepare the account, if we prepare the balance sheet, we will be able to find out any item which is not there. Particularly capital at the beginning of the year can be easily located with the help of opening balance sheet. Closing balance sheet is your answer. Let us prepare that format, students, now. So students, we are ready with the format. Now let us go back to the question. While following the question, I request you, firstly go for the opening balances, then go for the transactions during the period, and then go for the closing balances. So follow this way of solving the question, it will be easier for you. So let us go ahead with the current question. Now look at this particulars of assets and liabilities. This data is relating to the last year. So I will prepare last year statement of affairs. I will call it as a statement of affairs because ये सिर्फ data है जो मुझे दिया हुआ है उन्होंने. So I will prepare a statement of affairs on 1st April 16. It will give me a capital at the beginning most probably, but it can also provide you various other items whenever required. With the help of this, I will be writing closing balances. ठीक है? So firstly, let me complete these opening balances. Students, now in this balance sheet, in this statement of affairs, I am writing the details given in the question. These details I am copying down. ठीक है. Apart from these balances which are mentioned on 1st January 16, we also have an opening bank balance on 1st January 2016 which is to be recorded in the last balance sheet. So students, we are ready with last year's statement of affairs. I will not close it right now. We will wait for that. We will write all these balances as the opening balances in my books of account. So let us prepare step by step every account wherever required. For me, debtors and creditors account is always prepared. Machinery, furniture, etc. Whenever you are going through those items, I want कि आप उसके साथ related जो भी adjustment है आप एक साथ ले लो. So we'll go ahead with that slowly. I am also preparing creditors account. Next amount in the balance sheet is machinery. So I am noting balance sheet as a opening balance in current year's balance sheet. They have mentioned what they have mentioned. Check it out. They have mentioned that we have to provide 10% depreciation on machinery. There is no change in the machinery since last year. Same hai. So we have to just provide a depreciation. How much depreciation? 10%. Depreciation will be also debited to P&L account, but wait for that. हमारे पास और एक फिक्स एसेट है मशीनरी. मशीनरी के अलावा रादर फर्नीचर है हमारे पास 1200. आई एम राइटिंग दैट ऑल्सो. Both of these depreciations I will debit to P&L account. So simultaneously we have completed adjustment also as regard to furniture and machinery. Next amount, they have given you investment of 5,000. You can check the question. There is no change in the investment, so I am just copying as it is in the current year's balance sheet. Next amount is inventory 3,900. I am writing as opening stock. And then they have given you bank balance which is already there in your cash book. आप check कर सकते हो आपका bank balance already यहाँ पे लिख लिखा है. ठीक है. So in that way we have recorded all opening balances. Now we are going for the current year's transactions which are rotated through this cash book. They are given you on debit side balance brought down that we already noted down. Received from debtors, that means cash account debit to debtors account. तो debtors account के credit में मैं लिख दूंगा by bank account or by cash or bank account. Second effect of this is already seen in their cash book. So I can say that कि एक effect already यहाँ पे है, तो मुझे सिर्फ second effect के बारे में सोचना है. Cash sales are given 11,000. So in my trading account I will note down cash sales. Since we are having data, that means there must be some credit sales, so we'll wait for that. I'm just leaving a line for writing credit sales. We will see later on. Capital brought during the year. During the year, you have brought some capital that will be either credited to the capital account or it will be directly added to the capital in the balance sheet. Will be fine. So I'm writing in the balance sheet directly. I need to write opening balance here, so I am leaving that line. To that, I will write additional capital. Additional capital, they have given you 6,000. Next is interest on investment. It will be credited to P&L account. $200. Now I am coming to the payment side of the cash book, so I can say one credit effect is here. Second effect we have to think about. You can notice payment to sundry creditors, so I can say creditors account will be debited for that. Next they gave you salaries, general expense, rent and taxes. All these three things will be debited to P&L. So I have noted these three expenses in profit and loss, and his payment to creditors I have taken in creditors account. So these four amounts are done. Drawings, don't you think it is reduced from the capital? So I will write it minus from capital, 3,600. Cash purchases 12,000. It will be debited to trading account. We have a creditors account, that means there has to be some credit purchases that we will write later on. And total purchases I will record on the outer column. Next they gave you closing balance of bank and closing balance of cash. These will be recorded as asset in current year. So in this way I have recorded the transactions which occurred during the period. Now I need to note down closing balances of these various things. I will firstly enter it in the balance sheet of the closing date, and then I will record it in the respective account. I am noting down this column, debtors, creditors, I will note down. We have taken debtors, we have taken creditors, machinery and furniture is already considered. Inventory, that is your closing stock, 5,700. Two effects will be given. Investments 5,000 as it is, we will copy. Rather, we have already recorded the investment 5,000. So everything is done. Now I need to close all things step by step. मैंने जो working में account बनाए वो मुझे close करने पड़ेंगे. Let's see those accounts. First thing what I have prepared in my working note is the last year statement of affairs. We have nothing to do with the last year's figure because we have recorded current year's all data. Now we have to just close and find out if there is any difference. In our lower levels we learn that asset minus liabilities is equal to capital. So I am writing this is a capital on that given date 1116. Why it is called as statement of affairs? It is because of this reason. Capital should not be derived in this manner, but still we are doing it as a technique. So this opening capital we will note down in current year's balance sheet. Next, they have given you debtors account. Now debtors account we have to write the closing balances here also. Check it out. ये क्लोजिंग डेटर्स मैंने बैलेंस शीट में तो लिखा है, लेकिन इधर भी तो लिखना पड़ेगा ना डेटर्स अकाउंट में, तो मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ. सिमिलरली मेरे क्लोजिंग क्रेडिटर्स भी यहाँ पे मुझे लिखने पड़ेंगे. माय क्लोजिंग क्रेडिटर्स आर 7,900. Let me close my debtors account now. Sir, on debit side of debtors, there is one important transaction. Rather, person become our debtor only when there are credit sales. So this must be our credit sales. So I am noting it down to credit sale. Why it is a credit sale? Because there is an increase in debtors. Debtors में क्या हुआ है सर? Increase हुआ है. तो credit sales I will also note down in my trading account. So if I total these two, I will get total of my sales 60 to 100. We have closed our debtors and we have got credit sales. Let's close creditors account. On credit side of creditors account, we got the balance. मतलब creditors have increased, it has gone up, and creditors can increase only when we do the credit purchases from them, which is very basic transaction with the creditors. These credit purchases I will debit to my trading account. So why it is credit purchase? Because there is an increase in creditors. So I am noting in my trading account. It is as per my working note number 3. My total purchases will become 49,100. I believe we are clear on this. Have we considered all working note? Yes, we have done. Now we have to just close our trading P&L and balance sheet. To net profit, this net profit I will add to the capital. So in this way we have completed our balance sheet also. I hope you have understood the question. Still, if there are any doubt, any queries, please put in our comment box. Before I close the video, I request you to please subscribe our channel Ekeeda and keep watching the videos and keep sharing it with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. God bless you all.